9 minus 9 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0 and 0 divided by 9 equals 0. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have three operators present: subtraction, multiplication and division. According to the rules, subtraction has lower priority than multiplication and division, and multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this multiplication first, because that's on the left side of the division. So 9 times 3, that gives us 27. Our expression simplifies to 9 minus 27 divided by 9. Now we have two operators left, subtraction and division has higher priority over subtraction, so we'll solve this first. 27 divided by 9, that gives us 3, and finally 9 minus 3, that equals 6, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.